Okay. All right. Fine. So today I'll show you how we can implement the different storage services. See, storage accounts we have implemented yesterday. We have seen we have seen different types of storage account implementations, right? Yesterday we have seen different types of storage account implementations. What is that? That is blob or container or standard storage account. It has got many names, guys. Okay, this we have seen yesterday how we can implement. Okay, and then next I'll see here is next we have seen premium storage account. Premium storage account we have seen next. These two storage accounts implementation we have seen yesterday, right? These two storage account implementations we have seen yesterday. Having multiple storage offerings. What is that? We are having container or blob storage service. Okay, then file share storage service. Okay, table storage service and queue storage service. Right? This we have seen yesterday when we have developed this storage account. When we have implemented this storage account, these four different storage offerings we have seen. Right? So okay, and I will create one standard storage account quickly. Today, what I'll do quickly, I'll create one standard storage account today. Okay. Quickly, I'll create one standard storage account today. Okay. So I'll go to storage accounts. If you're finding here what you want to create, that is well and good. You can click here, data factories, virtual machines, or anything storage account. If you're not finding, you can go and you can search here. Okay. Just go and search here, storage accounts. Something like this you can search. Okay. Fine. I'll say here now storage accounts. Okay, these two storage accounts are already there. I'll quickly create one new storage account today. Today I'll quickly create one new storage account. Okay, I'll say here storage account name. Let us take it as Naresh SA 1337. Okay, some name I'm giving, and this number randomly, any number you can give here just to make the name as unique. I'm giving some number here. Okay, and rest of all these things I have explained yesterday, guys, right? Yesterday, all these options we have discussed yesterday. Correct? All this we have discussed yesterday. Please refer the video recordings. Today, I'm leaving all these options to default values. If you won't pass any value, it will take default and it will go ahead and it will create a storage account. Okay. It will go ahead and it will create a storage account. So just hold on for a minute and then click on create. Let the storage account gets created here. Okay. Go to resource. This is the storage account. I get a standard storage account. So in this storage account, I'm having as expected all the four storage services: blob storage service, file share storage service, queue storage service, table storage service. As usual, I'm having all the four storage services inside the storage account. These four storage services, these four storage services will get by default. Will get by default. Okay. These four storage services will get by default. Okay. And if I want to use this one, then I have to implement it separately. See, when you are creating a storage account, okay, when you are creating a storage account, only the storage bucket, okay, will get created or deploy deployed for you. Okay, what services you want to use? Okay, what storage services you want to use? What storage services you want to use? Like you want to use these storage services, or you want to use these storage services, or you want to use these storage services, whatever the storage service you want to use, again, that you have to implement it separately. Again, that you have to implement it separately, guys. Okay, so with this, the storage account got created, of course. Now, if I want to use these storage services, then click on blob services. Okay, then here it is asking me to create a container. It is asking me to create a container. Okay, so container is what? Container is nothing but a folder. Container is equal to folder. Okay, why we create containers? We create containers to segregate the data, to properly set up the data, to properly keep the data in our storage account. We'll create the containers. Okay, to keep the data properly in a storage account in a proper way, we'll create containers. We can create multiple containers, 4, 5, 10, 15, depends upon. See, I'll tell you one example. Okay, assume that Samsung. Samsung is a very big company. Okay, this is a very big electronic manufacturing company. This is a very big electronics manufacturing company, right? Samsung is a very big company. So Samsung is there. Samsung is there in India. Samsung is in Dubai. Samsung is in Saudi Arabia. Samsung is in, okay, Canada. Samsung is in, okay, I can say in Norway, etc. In multiple companies, Samsung is there. In multiple countries, Samsung is there. Samsung is having its products and it is manufacturing. Okay. What is this, Bhaskar? What is this question you are asking? Enabling multi-factor authentication can be block more than 1% of identity attacks that attempt to compromise your account. You are not eligible for Azure filter account. Okay, you are getting this. You are getting this issue. You are not eligible for an Azure free account. Okay. Why you are getting this error? So just don't enable multi-factor authentication. Bhaskar, don't enable multi-factor authentication. Just if there is any option as such, ignore it. If there is any option as such, please ignore it. Okay, fine, guys. So see, and now I'm saying that, okay, it is on. It is not opening. So I'm not sure, Bhaskar. I have to see it. Okay, you have already ignored. Okay, see here. I have to see what exactly you are doing. I'm not. I'm. I without seeing, I cannot tell Nama anything. No, you do one thing. You drop your screenshot in your mail. Okay, you drop the screenshot in the mail. I'll try to see what it is. Class को stop कर रहा हूँ. 1 minute. Bhaskar, have you seen the video recording? How we are creating a free trial account? In the video recording, I have shown step by step. Have you seen the video recording first? Okay. Are you sure? Have you seen the video recording completely? Are you sure? 100%? Okay. Do one thing. Okay. Do one. Okay. Fine. All right. Okay, fine. Yeah, sure, sure. Fine. So now see guys, Samsung is a very big electronic manufacturing company and Samsung is everywhere. It is in India, it is in Dubai, it is in Saudi Arabia, it is in Canada, it is in Norway, Europe, multiple countries. Okay, now you are working as data engineer, okay, in Samsung project for Samsung client, and Samsung is sending you the data for all the countries. Samsung is sending the data for the country India. Samsung is sending the data for the country Dubai, Saudi Arabia, Canada, and Norway. So what will you do? Here you will create multiple containers. Here you will create multiple containers country wise, so that whatever the data coming in for the country India, the data automatically will kept in the India container. Whatever the data coming for Dubai, the data will automatically saves in the Dubai container. Whatever the data coming in for Saudi Arabia, the data will automatically, okay, kept in the Saudi Arabia container. So what happens here? It will be very easy for you to manage, maintain, and work on the data. Correct or not, guys? Tell me. If you are putting all countries' data in one folder only, then when the project grows after 3 4 years, when the project is having TBs, terabytes of data, in that case, now it will be very complex for you to manage the data. That's why what we'll do, we'll create multiple containers here with different names. So I'm creating one container here called India. I'm creating one container called India. It will not accept the uppercase, only lowercase letters. Only lowercase letters. So I'll say here India. Okay, fine. India. And this is what different access levels we are having for our containers. Private, when you are setting it as private access, then no one can access the data, whatever is there inside the India container. No one can access the data, whatever is there inside the India container. Okay. And remember here one thing, guys. Okay. If you want, if you want someone to access the data from India container, then definitely you have to provide them the access first. Okay, whoever is creating this container, they can access, except that no one can access. Okay, if you give exclusive access to someone, then that's a different case. They can access. Okay, I'll say here create. Now see, I have created one container called India. Okay, fine. India. Okay, what is the access level? It's private. And I have created today, 7th of July, 7:55 p.m. I have created. I'll go inside the India container. Okay, I'll go to switch to access keys. See, guys, you will get this notification. Simply click on this one. Okay, don't ask me in the next class, sir, I'm getting this error. I'm telling right now, listen to the class carefully. Okay, switch to access keys. Click on this one. And then here, what you do, you upload the files from your local laptop to your cloud computing platform. Okay, click here on upload. Okay, say here browse for files, and here you can upload some files. See, this is what my local laptop in D drive in Naresh Shetty folder. I'm having Azure Data Engineering folder. In that, I'm having any
Recording in
type of data.
progress.
Now see, I'll say here browse for files. Okay, I'll go here. Okay, I'll say now these files. Okay, PDF file. This is PDF file. I'll take this text file. I'll take this Word file, PDF file, text file, Word file. Okay, different types of files I'm taking. I'll say here open, and I'll say here upload. Okay, see now it is uploading the files. It will take every file as blob. Okay, container is nothing but a folder, and blob is nothing but a file. Blob is nothing but a file. Container is nothing but a folder. Blob is nothing but a file. Okay, fine. So see here what I'm saying. Variety of different files it has accepted. Text file, simple text file it is accepting, PDF file it is accepting, Word file it is accepting, CSV file it is accepting. Okay, if you want, it will accept Excel file also. See now, I'll show you. Even we can keep Excel files. See, this is my Excel file. So it is conveniently accepting accept file also. But remember here, see, this is my Excel file, XLSX. But remember here, all this is what general files. Okay, general project related document files that you keep it in Word document, or you keep it in CSV, or you keep it in XLSX, Excel. All these files is uploaded as a what? Blob. See, all these files are uploaded as blob because whatever the data you are uploading, it has sensed the data. It has sensed the data, and it is giving you the blob category. It is giving you the blob. It is giving you the blob. Okay, fine. Suppose now, if I want to upload the VM disk, so what I'll do, I will change blob to page blob, because VM disk is suitable for page blob. When you are uploading VM disk, then you have to use page blob here, not the blob. Okay, fine. I'm choosing page blob here. I say here browse for files. Okay, I'll go to here. I'll say a sample files. Okay, page blob samples. This is my VM disk. Okay, this is my VM disk. Okay, I'll say here open, and I'll say here blob. Okay, I'll say here browse for files. I'll say here blob. Is it accepting? Okay, the disk size is small. It's just 1 GB only. Okay, let me refresh it. I'll go here. Okay, I'll say browse for files. Okay, I'll say here open. Okay, it is accepting as blob also, but I'll give it as page blob. It will accept as page blob. Okay, it is recommended. This disk size is of 1 GB. 1 GB. That's why it is accepting as blob also. If this disk size is 100 GB, normally VM disk sizes are like that only. If you upload 100 GB disk size to your cloud storage account, then it will take minimum 15 to 20 minutes. I don't want to waste the time on holding. That's why I'm uploading a small disk, and I'm choosing what page blob. I'll say here page blob, and I'll say here upload. See now, the moment I say upload, it started uploading the VM disk. Okay. It started uploading the VM disk. See, it is taking some time, and it has uploaded, I believe. Let me close. Let me take a refresh. Okay. So see, VM disk, VHD. VHD stands for virtual hard disk. VHD stands for virtual hard disk. Okay. This is VM disk. I'll give you all the sample file, guys. For your labs also, I'll give you all the sample files. No need to worry. I'll give all the sample files for your labs as well. No need to worry. Okay. So now what I'm saying, it has accepted the virtual hard disk VM disk as a page blob. Okay, fine. Now what I have shown you everything, right? If you want, you can upload database files also, SQL database files. Okay, see, this is your SQL database file. I'll upload it as, okay, page blob only. Okay, I'll say here page blob. Now see, it is uploading database file, SQL database file as page blob. Okay, just hold on. It's going on. The operation is going on. See, it is still uploading. It is still uploading. See, the VM disk is still uploading. Just hold on for some time. Let it get uploaded. So let it get uploaded, guys. Just hold on. Okay. This is called VM disk. D drive is called VM disk. E drive is called VM disk. If you want to upload this complete disk itself only, not only one file, one folder, you want to upload the complete disk, then that is also possible in Azure Cloud Computing. That is what I am showing here. Okay, guys, the people who are absolute fresher now, okay, they have to see the video recordings at least 4 to 5 times. Okay, getting the people who are absolute fresher, very new, the people who are very new, okay, they have to see the video recordings. They have to see the video recordings, okay, at least 4 to 5 times. Trust me, because the upcoming classes labs are very tough, guys. I'm telling. If you won't make your strong foundation now, believe me, you lose the confidence also. Please keep this in mind. Okay. The recording are getting uploaded here. Why it is not getting uploaded? Uh, Sana Gundala. Sana Gundala. Let me check. Sana Gundala, have you taken the admission? Have you done the payment for video recordings also? First tell me that one. Okay, then you have to go to this portal. You have to go to learn.nareshit.com. You have to go to this portal, and then here you will find your batch, 7:30 p.m. batch. You will find on this batch, click on it. Here you will get all the video recordings. See, the video recordings are all up to date. Yesterday was 4th July. Today is 5th July, right? Today is 5th July. Yesterday was 4th July. Yesterday recording is also there. Okay. Hello. See, it is there now. Recording is there, right? Why we are creating a storage account, guys? Why we are creating this? All recordings are there. You will get the access to the Azure portal. This one, sorry. You will get the access to this portal, learn.nareshit.com. Then you pay the fee with the video. You will get the access to this learn.nareshit.com. Okay. And here you can go, you can see the video recordings without asking anyone again and again, without, taking help. Okay. Proudly go here. You will get the access. Okay. If you are not getting access, if you didn't get the access yet to this platform, then check with your batch admin. Praveen is your batch admin. Check with your batch admin. Is that clear, guys? Yes or no? So I'm waiting for this to get uploaded. See, that's why I told it's better if, okay, you don't have his number, Sana Gondala, you don't have his number. Do you have his number? Eh, no, man. I talked to him many times. I talked to him many times. What number you are having? Can you tell me the number, Sana Gondala? What number you are having? Tell me the number. Let me cross check whether you are dialing the same number or something different. Okay, I'll give you the dumps. Jitendra, I'll give you the dumps. Hold on. Okay, let me check. Okay, sure. Uh, I'll inform Praveen. Guys, is there anyone else who is facing like this kind of issues? Is there anyone else who is facing like this kind of issues? Let me know. Okay, so that I'll inform your batch admin. Everyone is having the access to video recordings after you have done the fee payment. Someone who is not getting the video recordings after they have done the fee payment, do let me know. I'll try to help them out. Hey, hi Praveen. Praveen, this candidate we are having, okay, Sana Gondala, this I have sent you the screenshot. He's saying that he is not getting the video recordings on daily basis. I think you have not added him to the learn.naresheti portal. So please take care of this, Praveen. He's saying that you are not responding to him. So please take an immediate action and provide him the access to learn.university.com, or at least guide him. If you have given access, maybe he's not able to see it, or who can guide the students, please do it so. Okay, because he's simply saying that you're not responding, you're not, coordinating kind of stuff, comments he's giving. I'm highlighting the screenshot also. Please do it on top priority. Thank you. Okay, Rohit is also facing the same issue. Okay. Guys, see, I got immediate response. Okay, from Paveen. Okay, just hold on, guys. I'm trying to help you out. Praveen, there are multiple candidates actually. Satish is also saying the same thing. He's facing some issue. Rohit is also saying that he's facing some issue. So multiple candidates are there, Praveen. Please take care of these people. You please call them and you please guide them, or who can guide them. Just ensure that they have been informed properly. Because if they are not able to see the video recording, then they cannot practice, Praveen. Okay, if you have sent the details and all, might be they could not able to do it. So please call them and give them the personal guidance how it is to be. Okay. Okay. All right. Fine, guys. I have informed them. I have informed to Praveen. Praveen has sent me the response also. Okay. You have Rohit, you have reported to admin. He said by tomorrow it will get uploaded. I'm accessing classes.nareshati.com because admin forward the same web URL. Okay. See, guys, this is what the normal official portal that you would be getting the access, and you can get all the video recordings. See, if you see now for me, see, I'm having all the video recordings perfectly up to date. Same this, you will also get it. Fine. And I'll come here. Okay. I'll go to my drive. I'll go to Naresh Azure Data Engineering. I'll say here file upload. Okay. And I will take this dumps. Okay, this is AC 900 fundamentals, Azure fundamentals dumps. Okay, Jitendra is asking for this one. So I'm just providing it. Okay, fine. So 1 minute. Hmm. Jitendra, please download. I'm not having notes for AZ 900 as such. Okay, I'm not having notes as such for AZ 900. Okay, the material what I have shared. Okay, there itself, from there only, the basic fundamentals of cloud computing you can read. If you carefully read the document, you will get it. Okay, basics of fundamental Azure cloud computing I have given in the material itself only. Is that clear? Okay, guys, can we continue the class? Can I jump back to the demo? All settled now? Okay, 1 minute. Hold on. Okay, just check this one, guys. Okay. Okay, go ahead and download the 900 dumps. For those who don't know what is dumps is something like previous exam papers. Dumps is something like a previous exam papers. Okay, fine, guys. Everyone downloaded? Can I jump back to the portal? Okay, fine now. See here, guys. Now, if you notice here one thing, the VM disk has been uploaded as page blob, and the database file, Adventure Works database file, has been uploaded as page blob. If you go here and upload a normal simple file, if you go here and upload a normal file, let us take this file here, something, I'll say this file. Okay, I'll say it as page blob. Then see, I'm getting an error. See, I'm getting an error. It is saying that the file what you're uploading is Excel file, and this Excel file is not suitable for page blob category. See, I'm getting an error. It is not allowing me. See, the upload is not enabled. The upload is not enabled for me. See, the upload is not enabled for me. Why? Because I'm inserting a data in cloud computing in a wrong blob category. In wrong blob category. That's why it is not accepting here. Okay, fine. So what I have to do, if I want this file to be uploaded, I have to match it to the correct blob category. The correct blob category is blob. See, now the error is gone. Automatically the error is gone. I'll say here now upload. See, now the file is being uploaded. The file is being uploaded here. This is what the importance of different blobs we are having. Page blob, append blob, blob. So we have seen page blob. Here we have seen blobs. Okay, and now append blob. Append blob also accepts all types of files. Okay, append blobs also accepts CSV files, Excel files, and all. So what I'll do, I'll just go to home. I'll go to subscription. Okay, I'll set now in append blob. What we'll do, we'll keep the logs. We'll keep the logs of Azure resources. We'll keep the logs of our Azure resources. We'll keep the logs of our cloud resources, subscription details, and all. So I'll go to activity logs. I'm going to logs here. Okay, this is my logs. I'll say here I want it for last 1 week. Okay, and this is some logs I'm going to get. Okay. No, I'm not sure. I'm not sure how you have deployed the storage account. See, guys, I'll tell you one thing. Everything, if you do from the starting properly, then only you will get the outputs. Okay. Initial steps, what you are doing, how you are doing, I don't know. All of a sudden, if you're getting an error, then I cannot help. So for that reason only, I told many times, okay, to watch the video recordings end to end. Click by click, watch the video recordings, how I am doing it. Then you should get it. You should get it. Okay. So Kiran, I don't know what storage account, how you have created and all. Normally, what SQL file you are uploading? Normally, you have to take SQL file as master file or backup file, something like that. I don't know what SQL file you are uploading. If it's a small SQL file, just with some little data, then you can go with a block blob only, not with page blob. Many criterias are there, guys. Many criterias are there. That's why first listen to the class, then refer the video recordings and do the labs. That gives you more confidence and gives you maximum outputs. I'm not saying that with video recordings you will not get any errors. You will get it, but the chances are very, 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 very less. Okay, fine. Now see this, what I'm saying, these are my logs. Yeah, you can upload 1 TB also. You can upload 1 TB also. But normally for Bhaskar, for 1 TB and all, it is recommended to go with data lake gen 2, not with block, standard or blob storage. Okay. See, SQL databases are not that much big now. It could be maximum up to 40 GB, 50 GB, 60, 80 GB. 1 TB also you can upload it. It will accept. If you are having 1 TB database file, if you try to upload, it will take at least 2 hours of time, and it will eat lot of your internet. It will take lot of time, lot of internet also. So better, just for learning purposes, I am uploading small size files only. Even that small file size what I have uploaded took some 5 minutes. Okay, that's why here I am taking some small file sizes only. Now see, I'll just download this logs. This is all the logs. Okay, I'm downloading here all the logs. Just hold on. Let the logs gets downloaded here. All the logs is getting downloaded. Okay. This is the logs, guys, about my subscription details. This is what my subscription details. If I open this file, see here, this is what my subscription details. Okay. I'm having here, see, correlation ID, operation name, status, event category, level, time. This is details. Okay. What I have done in my last 2 weeks in the subscription, what resource group I have created, what resources I have created, data factories I have created. All this is what historical data. Logs is what historical data. Yesterday, what you have done. Day before yesterday, what you have done. 1 week before, what you have done. This is all what historical data. So now this is all data. I'll go ahead and I'll upload in the append blob. I'll go ahead and I'll upload in the append blob. So for that, what I'll do, see here, I'm going back to my storage accounts. Okay, I'll go to the storage account here. I'll take this storage account. This I have created for this class. I'll go to blob services. I'll go here to India container. I'll say here upload. Okay, and I'll say here what append blob. I'm taking here what append blob. I'll uncheck this one. Browse for files. I'll say here this is my logs, right? This is what now I am uploading. So see now the logs, the historical data, it has accepted as append blob. See append blob. See, this is what append blob. So we have seen page blob, we have seen block blob, page blob, and we have seen append blob also. Okay. Append blob is one of the storage offerings we are having inside the storage account. Is that clear? Please see the video recordings, Mithunjay. I think you seems very new in Azure Data Engineering. Okay, so you are asking this question, sounds very basic things. Okay, that you are not, catching up. So it happens. No, it's very normal. When we are learning something new, it will take time. The only solution, see, if you remember in yesterday's class, I told very clearly, when we are creating a storage account, we are going to get broadly 4 storage offerings, right? And in this, we are getting 3 different storage offerings. And what is that? Page blob, okay, append blob, and then block blob. These 3 storage offerings we are going to get inside this blob storage services. I told this. Page blob is to store what kind of data. Append blob is to store what kind of data. Block blob we use to store what kind of it. This all details I have given already. Okay, in yesterday's class. Okay, day before yesterday, I think yesterday or day before yesterday. Please see the video recordings. Yeah. Yeah, no, it happens. It happens. It happens with me also. See, what I'll do, guys, I'll tell you. See, honestly, I'll tell you. Okay, when I learn, something new, when I learn something new, okay, I refer the video recordings recordings multiple times, and also I will write it down. Also, I will write it down every word, whatever it is saying in the video recording, and I will revise it, okay, multiple times until it gets saved in my head. Yes, efforts is there, guys. Hard work is there. Everywhere hard work is there. Team India has won T20 World Cup, right? Last week, Team India has won T20 World Cup. The entire country has celebrated, but no one knows how much hard work they have put. Team India, how much practice they have done, how much sleep they have sacrificed, how they have, compromised. No one has seen that. So efforts is there everywhere. In any field you take, efforts is there. If you won't put your hard work, trust me, it's not easy. See, writing down every word, especially for freshers, I'm saying, okay, write it down every word, whatever is in the video recording. It needs lot of patience. It needs lot of courage, lot of uh, what I can say here, interest to learn the technology. It's not that easy. This is not that easy. Okay, I'm telling you, and I will. Then you have to revise it multiple times. Revise it at least 5 to 6 times. If still it is not getting into your head, revise it 8 to 10 times. Write it down. Start writing it down. Okay, fine. So for freshers, this guidance I am giving. Now for working professionals, it's fine. Slowly, the freshers will also become mature at one day after 2, 3, 4 years, and then they can also understand the things just by doing the practice and watching the video recordings. There's no need for them to write and all those things. Now, this is what I want to say here. Everything now we have uploaded. Okay, page blog, append blog, page blog, and append blog. All these things we have uploaded here perfectly. Now, what I'll do, okay, what I'll do now, okay, I'll go inside this storage account, and in this storage account, I have created a container name called India. And in this India container, I have uploaded all the files as private access. Private access means full confidential. No one can see this data, okay, outside the storage account. See, I am in the Azure portal. I am having global administrator access. I can see any data. Suppose for an example now, if I give this file URL, okay, click on the file, window will get open something like this. Copy this one, okay, and I'll put this URL in the browser. See what happens here. The file is not opening for me. The file is not opening for me. If I give it to you, if I put it here to everyone, you guys try to open this one. Now tell me whether you are able to read the content inside this file or not. If anyone is able to read the content, then let me know. No one can read the content, what is there inside this file, because this file is being uploaded in the private access. Private access. Okay, so what I'm trying to say, anything that you are uploading in private access, with private access, anything, okay, that you are uploading with the private access, then okay, no one can see the data. No one can see the data, okay, except you. And if you have given access to someone exclusively, if someone you have given access exclusively, then they can access and you can access. That's it. Except that no one can access this data. This is what the private level access, private access. This is what the private access. Okay. Now, let us say that Samsung is also sending the data. Samsung is also sending the data for Dubai, Saudi Arabia, Canada, something like this. So I'll say here multiple containers now. I'll say here Dubai has one container and I'll give access as what? Blob. Access level, I'm giving it as what? Blob. Blob means what? Anonymous read access for blobs only. Means what? Anyone can access, but they can access at read level only. They cannot add some content inside the file. They cannot add some data inside the file. They can access, but it's a read access only. Okay, fine. See, now I'll say here one more container Dubai. Okay, now whatever the data coming for Dubai, all the data I'll keep it here. So by mistake I have given a wrong spelling. Okay, so I'll just close. I'll delete this one. I have given a wrong spelling, guys. Sorry, it's a typo. It happens. I'm also a human being. Okay, so I'll create a container with a proper spelling name, Dubai. Okay, I'm saying here blob means anyone will get the access, but it's a read access only. Okay, click on create. Done. Now I'll go inside Dubai. I'll say here upload. I'll go for browse for files. Okay, and I will say here. Okay, I'm saying that I'll upload some normal file. Okay, so I'll go to Naresh IT. I'll go to Azure Data Engineering. Okay, I'll take here this file, PDF file, open. Okay, I'm taking it as blob because PDF files are suitable for blob only. I'll say here upload. Now I'll click on this file. I'll take the URL here. Now I'll put it in the browser. See, now I'm able to read the content of the file. Why? Because this particular file, okay, this particular file is uploaded inside the Dubai container, and Dubai container is having access as blob level. Means if I give you this one, you can also access it. If I give you this URL, you can also access it. Guys, just click on this URL and let me know whether you are able to access the file content or not. Yes, no? Yeah, super. Manpreet, thank you, Karthik. Able to access, right? Everyone is able to access now. Everyone is able to access. So how you are accessing? Once you upload, now Satish Reddy is in US, okay, and Tawhid is somewhere in London, okay, Kiran is somewhere in India, Karthik is somewhere in Europe. Everyone can access. That's why I told that once you upload the data in cloud, okay, that's why I told in my theoretical lecture, once we upload the data in cloud computing, then we can make that data accessible across the globe or worldwide. Worldwide. That is what I'm trying to say. Fine. Next is what I'm having. I'll get one more container. Let us take it as Canada. Okay. I'll say here container access. Container is what? Read access for containers and blobs. Means suppose inside this container, if you have created one more container, then that container, yes, it is syllabus. Yes, correct, Bhaskar. So one more, see, inside this Canada container, if you are creating one more container, then that container you can access, and the files also inside the container you can access. I'll say here upload. I'm uploading a file. I'll say here something. Okay, 203 dumps. I'll say here upload. I'll open this. I'll click on this file. I'll take this URL. I'll come here and I'll put in the link here. See, the file is accessible for me. Okay. Now, what is the difference between blob and container level access? In container level access is implemented with container level access, right? So inside this Canada folder, if you create one more folder here, see, I'll say you are creating one more folder here like this. Okay, my folder, and you are keeping this file inside this folder and say upload. Then a folder will get created and file will get loaded inside this folder. File got loaded inside this folder. Now, what happens here with container level access? If you are keeping here 10 files, 10 files, 20 files, all that files will be accessed, okay, whichever is there inside this folder. That is what container level access. Blob level access means only the file will get access. Container level access means inside this container Canada, one more container you have created, and in that container you have kept multiple files, and that files can also be accessible. That is the difference. If you are not understanding, listen to the video recordings, you will get it, guys. Okay. See, now I'll click on this file. I'll say here copy. I'll come here and I'll paste it. See, now this is the file is accessible for me. I can read the complete content of the file. Getting, guys? This is clear. This is what how we can manage the data, how we can upload the data I have shown, and how we can manage the data. How we can manage the data in cloud computing. Okay, practice, guys. Practice is needed. API, if you upload API, it will accept, but API will not be browsable. Nah? Okay, the main purpose of storage account is, okay, to ensure that, okay, whatever the data you are uploading, that should be accessible worldwide, or that should accessible to a concerned person and all. APIs also, you can upload it. It will accept any type of data, Bhaskar. Okay. Now, the question arises is that what we have to do if you want to provide access to the people for private level. Okay. Yeah. No, it will allow us to view folder within a folder and also files inside the folder. Also the files inside the folder. Okay. Fine. Now, one question comes here, how we can give access to this private container? Okay, files are not accessible. How we can give access? These files, all whatever you see, it is not accessible. Okay, what we can do for this? What is the solution? The solution is, suppose for an example, if I want to give access to someone to this file, okay, then how we can give the access? I'll show you in tomorrow's class. That I'll show you in tomorrow's class because it's a little big deep steps is there. I'll explain that very well. Then I'll show you practically I'll show you. So whatever I have shown today, guys, please practice it in your free time. Okay, take the video recording seriously, practice it. How to provide access to the people for the private data, the container which is created with private access. How to, because sometimes client says that, okay, it is private also, no problem, but this person is very important for me. You have to give access to that person, though it is a private data. In that case, how you can do that? That I am going to show you in tomorrow's class. Okay, just remind me this in tomorrow's class. I'll show you this in tomorrow's class. After that, okay, I'll show you the next services. That is what file share storage services. This I'll explain. Okay, this I'll explain. Yeah, very good question. Tomorrow we are not having a class. Very good question, Monica. Thank you. Tomorrow there is no class. Okay, we'll connect on Monday. Okay. Normally classes are there. Normally classes are there from Monday to Saturday. But tomorrow we are not connecting. But tomorrow, no class. Okay. Next week onwards, okay, we'll have class on Monday, Saturdays also. We'll have classes on Saturdays also. We'll try to set some time. Okay. Kiran, I have already shared the access for notes. I have already given the notes to all. And Ankush, you want the study material again? Okay, let me check, Bhaskar. I'm not sure how you are doing and all. It's a very simple thing. Okay. Yeah, you can change it. Shilpa Rao, you can change it. You can change the access level. Jitendra, you have to send an email to support.naresheti.com. Okay, we are having an online team. They will support you. No, number I cannot share to anyone. As per Naresheti policy, I cannot share the number to anyone. Okay. So this is the material, guys, material link. This is the material link. Please, everyone, go to the material link, click on that link and download the material. The people who are not downloaded the material yet, please click on this link. Google Drive will get open. Download the material. No, this I will not share, Kiran. I'll not share this. All these things you will get recorded in the video documents, in video recordings. In videos, whatever I'm putting it this in the white pad, okay, that you will get it in the video recordings. That's why we'll tell every day that video recordings are important. Video recordings are important. Okay. Okay. All right. Fine, guys. Please download the material. Whoever wants it, I'll keep it in the Google Drive link only. Okay. Please download it. Okay. Don't be delayed. So we'll connect again on Monday, guys. We'll connect again on Monday. Okay. Bye, guys. Bye, everyone. Am I good to close the class? Yes. No. Am I good to close the class? Okay. Thank you, Jitendra, Manju. Okay. Fine. Fine, guys. Bye, guys. Bye, everyone. Take care. Have a nice weekend, guys. Enjoy.